medieval Borgo, very close to Siena, just 15 minutes by car. From Florence it's just 1 hour by car, very close. The resort is an original medieval Borgo where people used to live in the past. Then they decide to just renew and to build a beautiful resort open to everyone. So we have guests from all over the world, from Europe and from all the parts, also Italy. We are very loved by Italian golfers.
My name is Martin Shaw. I am from Glasgow, Scotland, and I have been lucky enough to call Tuscany home for 10 years now. So the golf course opened in 2011, designed by Robert Trent Jones Jr. He's designed a beautiful course that sits so nicely in the natural landscape. So the driving range is something that everyone talks about, are very, very good here at Bagnaia. It's a 125 metre wide grass teeing area, and the fairway is 300 metres long. So even the longer hitters can practice and smash their driver. I would say of the 18 holes, my personal favourite is number 6. When you look at it on the scorecard, you think, finally, a short par 4. Surely it means a birdie opportunity. But when you stand on the tee box and you see the well-positioned fairways and the bunkers, and then it's a very, very shallow green with bunkers behind and in front of the green as well. So when you think you're going to have a chance at making a birdie, you're surprised by what Trent Jones Jr. put in front of you. And the par 5 is obviously hole 18, which I've got here behind me. You know, par 5 coming back up the hill. I would say the clubhouse in the background, you know, it really creates a fantastic backdrop. It's a long par 5 when you find it into the wind. It plays more like a par 7. Just when you think you're nearly at the end of your round of golf, you're challenged with that long, tricky hole to finish. But I think when people do come here and they play those couple of rounds of golf at some of the top courses, they're really blown away and impressed by what Tuscany has to offer.
With 72 rooms in a medieval resort and a lot of beautiful spaces where you can touch and understand the beautiful Tuscan living. It's an old fabric of bricks, so as you can see we have all the Tuscan tradition here. We have stables with like 18 horses. We organize horseback riding just to enjoy the Tuscan landscape and the countryside. We have 2 restaurants at La Bagnaia Golf Resort. One is at the clubhouse and it's open just for lunch with a beautiful landscape. And one is La Voliera restaurant and it's located at the Borgo, so at the resort. And then it's open for dinner. We offer a nice breakfast buffet for all the guests. We have also a beautiful panoramic pool. So at La Bagnaia you can understand how it's the Tuscan living, the Italian atmosphere. It's very peaceful. You just enjoy the nature and the horses that we are able to offer a very nice and enjoyable experience for all the guests.